Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix the featured photos not showing up. And this is very simple to fix. I saw a lot of videos and a lot of videos are telling not the truth. And in this video I will show you how to do this. Alright, first make sure that you go to your profile and that you're logged in. So tap on your profile and then scroll down. And so if you can see the featured photos are missing. That's not what we like. So if you go to a profile and then tap on edit profile and then scroll down, you will see here the option highlights. Alright, then tap on try it. Then tap on a photo that you want to use. Now I want to use my football photo. Tap now after this on done. And you just added a highlights. Now if I go back and I refresh my page, you will see just right here the featured photos, but it's called something different. It's now a collection. And this is exactly what we want. So this is how it works. This is the only way how you can fix this. And hopefully if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.